In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open expired links in Telegram. When a Telegram invite link says it's expired, it usually means the link was set to end after a certain time. It reached a join limit, or the owner manually revoked it. Don't worry, there are a few reliable things you can try, and I'll walk you through them clearly so you know exactly what to do. First, the most reliable method is to ask the administrator or the original sender for a fresh active link. This is the cleanest fix because only the owner controls whether a link is valid. If the invite was shared in a chat you still have access to, reply politely asking for a new link, or check the group or channel's profile for a current invite. Sometimes admins rotate links for safety or spam control, so a quick request solves it immediately. If getting a new link isn't an option, use Telegram's built-in search to look for the group or channel by name. Open Telegram, tap the search bar, and type the exact name if you remember it, or try a close variation. Look at the results carefully. Channels often have a short description you can preview, and public groups may show member counts. Choose the one that matches what you were expecting. If you see multiple similar names, check the profile information and recent posts to confirm it's the right place before you join. Next, try opening the same link on a desktop browser or through Telegram web. Sometimes the mobile app can run into cache or parsing issues, but the desktop environment handles the link cleanly. On your computer, paste the link into your browser, or go to Telegram web, sign in, and open the link there. If the invite is still valid on the server side, this can bypass mobile hiccups and get you in. If that still doesn't work, open the link in a private or incognito browser window. Private mode ignores existing cookies and cached redirects, which can interfere with how Telegram links resolve. Launch a new private window. Paste the link and try again. This is especially helpful if you've clicked similar links before, or if your browser stored an old error state. A quick note: if the link was intentionally revoked or the group is now private or closed, none of these methods will override that decision. In that case, only the owner can grant access with a new invite. Always respect group rules and be cautious about lookalike channels to avoid scams. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.